My first calling into the healing ministry, if you will, was being called to be a nurse. I knew that I wanted to be a nurse since I was 6 years old. I knew that I was committed to caring for people who didn't have access to care. I was one that accessed the public health system, went to public clinics, and to see those nurses with such dedication and to treat everyone as though they had insurance or treat everyone with dignity and respect was really, truly something special for me. I was called in one day by Sister Pauline Troncalli, Sister of Charity of Incarnate Word. And at that point, I had been a director of outreach. I had taken my nursing skill set from the emergency room and the ICU, and I started to work on the other end, if you will, of the spectrum of community health. And Sister Pauline called me into her office one time, and she just said, where do you see yourself in 5 years? What is it that you want to do? You're doing such a great job with community outreach. Have you ever thought about being a mission leader? And at that point, I knew that she was the mission leader, and I said, well, don't you have to be a sister? So she's like, no, you don't have to be a sister. And I'm like, well, tell me more. What is it that I need in order to be a mission leader? And she talked about getting more education around theology and ethics, and we actually put a plan together. And if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be here today to be able to put me on a path and to be able to be a supporter. I had mission leaders after her that were just as supportive and again role modeled what it was to be a great mission leader, and had the opportunities afforded to me to be able to learn from them, go to Aquinas. So that was also something that I felt like it just wasn't enough to be able to follow a mission leader, that I really needed the books and the readings and everything, the research that needed to be able to get me to this level. And fortunately, I was able to graduate from the Aquinas Institute of Theology, and an opportunity to be a vice president of mission in San Antonio opened up. And as they say, that's where, I was able to be able to learn more about what it is to be a mission leader at heart, to be able to be a servant leader, and to put everything that I learned in school to practice. And it's been a great opportunity, and I'm so thankful to Sister Pauline and the Sisters of Charity of Incarnate Word.